Good morning, guys. Welcome back on a Tuesday morning. So, this morning we do have our Acer laptop model. Let me see if I can see the model N15P2. That's the model of this one, which was booked in as no power. So let's see if we can fix this quickly. Still morning on a Tuesday. So charger is plugged. Yeah, it's a small laptop. Let me test voltage on the charger. That the charger is already plugged. My probe can't get inside, it's too small. You can see the probe is too small. So let's find something to put inside. Okay, I'll put this inside like that, and we test voltage minus plus. Check on the test meter, 4.95. This is a 5 volts power pack. Let me see if anything is written here. I think it's working with 5 volts, around 5 volts 2 amps, 5.95. I believe the charger is okay. Pressing the power button here. We do have a power button here. I can hear it's flicking. I can hear it's clicking, but nothing on the screen. Okay. So let's see what can be wrong here. Let's take out all the screws. And try to fix this quickly. Maybe we can fix it. Maybe. Let's see what can be wrong here. What can be wrong on this laptop? Nice and portable. I never opened this, so I'm not sure how I'm gonna take this out. Any idea how I'm going to take this out? Seems as if the back cover is coming out. Okay. So what is here? We have a small board. That's the hard drive connector, but the hard drive is not there. Okay. Keyboard connector, touchpad connector, and that's the screen connector. No battery. let's check. We do have two connectors here, which I don't know whether this one 2.93 here, 3 volts. So where's the battery? Because I don't think these are the I don't think these are connectors of the battery. I don't think so. I think here is the screen ribbon cable, this one, ITE, you see, that's the microcontroller. The board is too small and few components. Everything is going more complicated these days. Okay, let's see. I believe this is an all-in-one, some kind of. Let's see. Maybe we can check on the other side. Let me find a proper tool to open. Okay, so I didn't know this is a 2-in-1, like tablet, like laptop. You can use it like this, you see, or you can put it here so that you can use it as a laptop. So I just take the back cover. That's the back cover. What I want to do first, let's check the battery voltage. We do have the battery here. Here we have another board. We have the charging port. That's the mouthpiece. We have the cable, which is connecting the bottom part and the other board. Here we do have some kind like a BIOS chip. Okay, let's check some voltage. Let's see. 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, we have some power supplies. 0 red wires on the plus. 3.86, you can see. So what are the battery ratings here? Let's see. Rating voltage 3.7 amped and 4.2 fully charged. Okay, I don't think we have a low battery. I don't think so. We don't have any BIOS battery. Let's disconnect this cable from the battery. Okay, let's try to look for the switch and the reset. Maybe we have a frozen BIOS. What do you think? Let's reset maybe for 20 seconds. I'm pressing with this. I'm resetting the tablet, and then let's just do the basics. If it fails to power on, we'll move on. We'll carry on with the fault. Let's reset. That should be okay. Let's put back the battery connector. good. What we have to do is to power on and see what's going on. Check here, that's crazy. You can see. So our battery is good, but that was a frozen BIOS. Seems to be working. Let's see. You can see. It's on. I can't believe. Sometimes it's easy. Everything seems to be okay. So yeah, that was a frozen BIOS. So I'm disappointed. I thought maybe that was something better, no? So like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Maybe it's a game of next time. Bye.